you want me to explain what we're actually going to do, which is we're going to build a bass guitar out of materials exclusively from Homebase. The big question is going to be how much of it that we can actually make from stuff from Homebase. I mean, I'd like to think I can make a pickup out of what's available at Homebase, but I think that's probably unlikely. I think strings is probably a no, but obviously wood. I don't know how we're going to get electronics, like potentiometers, knobs, things like that, but they must sell something. I was chatting with my mate John about this about 2 days ago, and it dawned on me that I'd been mostly thinking about how the body was going to be made out of wood, and I thought, yeah, it'd be fun because Homebase is going to have some kind of cheap wood. We can prove to the world a guitar can be made out of anything. I mean, it's all much of a muchness, isn't it, really? 2.4 metres. It's not going to fit in the car.
No. Okay, so this wood is good, but unfortunately insufficient.
So these are a bit.
They look a bit rotten though. They look a bit wetter.
They look like they've been here for about 15 years. Tightest grain. I mean, I'll be honest, if I was in a timber yard picking wood for a guitar, this is not what I would buy.
No.
But given the choices
It's
available,
Homebase though, so let's.
It is Homebase. I don't know, a bit of sanding, a bit of craftsmanship.
Yeah. A bit of How's Your Father?
We can split that in half, and there'll be a body and a neck in there.
Great.
So we could use. They might have some metal.
Yeah.
To reinforce the neck.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just shove a rod in it.
Yeah, let's do that. Neck reinforcement, surely. I mean, it's still got a bit of flex in it. It's probably not that much stronger. It wants me thicker, really. Am I being a bit fussy for Homebase?
I think you're being a bit fussy for Homebase. The neck sack.
Yeah. We could laminate the neck. It's the first hardwood we've found.
Okay.
This is.
Yeah.
We struck gold. Found some oak.
Found some oak.
Neck reinforcement. We need something on top of the body that looks good. That's a bit too Homebase.
For fans at home, what are the qualities you're looking for?
I think this is largely aesthetic. It's about what looks good. A, B, or C.
The knots are a feature, so I'd say the middle one being the knottiest boy.
You're right. Damn. I don't know what a fret's going to be made out of. I mean, the one thing about this whole project actually that is quite important, as far as I'm concerned, is this only works if it highlights my craftsmanship. I mean, the whole point of this is to prove that, you know, with the right skills, you can do anything. So, bamboo skewer inlays, fretless bass.
Yeah.
Zip ties for frets, so you can play it either fretless or
fretted. Options.
It's now better than a normal bass guitar. Yeah, look, they're all the same. They're square sections, so we can just inlay that at the fret positions.
We should have just gone to a B&Q for this, because a B&Q is A, nearer, and B, better stocked, but it doesn't work with the pun, so we're committed to driving out to Portishead, the only home base within 100 miles of us.
If you're going to do something, you've got to do it properly.
Yeah, exactly.
Going to need a bridge, possibly a wooden bridge, but it's got to be hard. It's going to have a material in it that is hard. Traditionally a sand, bone or metal on an electric base. That is a guitar nut. A bass guitar nut. Dome screws. Copper wire you need for a pickup. From like, yeah, I don't think you'd harvest copper wire from an electrical cable. We need some cabling to wire it up. There we go. We'll take the live and neutral out of this 2-core flat flex, and we'll use that for our ground and live connections on the circuit. I think we're just north of 100 quid, I reckon.
This is just the resource gathering portion of the Homebase experience, and then we can drill, no pun intended, deeper into the individual components of which the Homebase will comprise.
Yeah.
A 12-part year-long series
about how I ruined my life.
about how a Magnum opus drove you to insanity and ruined your life.
This could be
a Magnum Dopus, if you will.